So if I put that back to the middle position,
Yeah.
does that cruise? Is that
Yes.
So that's cruising.
Yes.
Understand? Okay. Great. Let's give it some juice. All right. Are you going to test me on my stopping? Okay.
Yeah, later
Okay,
you have to stop at the platform.
After
obviously.
3 rounds.
Yeah.
We're up to 45. We'll bottom him out at about 50. I haven't had the AWS yet.
West Hampstead Thameslink.
Apparently we're going to stop at West Hampstead Thameslink. Where's the AWS?
AWS is at 14 and 16.
There's a board there that says 38. At 40, did you say?
1-4 and
Oh,
1-6.
1-4, okay. All right, well, we're cruising along at 50 miles an hour. Where would you like to go? Which station would you like to be dropped off at?
Blackfriars.
Blackfriars.
Yeah.
Well, hang on, this is the Moorgate line.
Oh, yeah,
Not
well.
you're thinking
Moorgate,
Thameslink.
obviously. Welling Garden City.
Went to Welling Garden City.
Yes,
okay.
thank you.
Okay. As one half of all the stations, I'm going to have to stop at every station along the way.
Yes, yes, of course, yeah.
This is not an express service. This is a stop everywhere service.
Wouldn't it be cool if you would do all the stations again with your own train?
But if I buy my own train and do all the
Well,
stations
you
in
don't
my
have
own
to buy
train,
it, you can rent it maybe.
I could rent like a diesel locomotive and then just
Yeah.
just chug around the network.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I can choose to stop everywhere.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't give me ideas.
I think it's a good idea.
Am I doing all right?
Yeah.
Your man's gone.
That's all good, all good.
So I know that if I put it into coast, so let's get this up to 50 miles an hour again. So that's at 50 now. But the speedometer yeah, I guess natural friction is just causing it to, so you always have to have a little bit of juice put in just to maintain your speed. Okay. I'm still not hearing the AWS, I feel like I've missed it.
No, you can't miss it, this is around.
Okay, are you videoing me as well, Anthony?
I will be.
Where's that going?
So here's 0, 0. So
There's 0,
1,
0,
4
okay.
has to be quite close, but not the next one.
And then someone should tell me when to stop, otherwise I would just probably drive this. Okay, so we just passed marker 8, 10's coming up,
Yeah, so
And you think the
next
button-
one is 12 and then one after is the first.
and I'll get the AWS at 14, okay. About now?
No, you hear the beep. After this now.
About
The beep.
now?
Now. Yeah.
Yay!
And then another one.
And another one at 16.
Yeah, you can see the balise actually.
I can see it, yeah. Alright,
Well done.
I'm done. I can stop it now. I've pressed my buttons.
Yeah.
Where would you like me to stop?
You can stop wherever you wish.
Shall I try and stop it at the platform?
Probably.
Does somebody want to tell me where the platform is?
Yeah, 1 second.
At what board number is the platform?
48.
Alright, shall I try and stop it at 48?
Yeah, but
Okay.
you will have to start obviously before that.
Yeah. I'm trying to remember last time, was it me or Matt that Matt drastically overshot, didn't he, when he drove the Thameslink?
Okay. If you start
Start braking now?
at 40, around 40, then 44.
Okay, so we're still cruising at
Yeah, you're still okay.
We're cruising at 55 miles an hour at the moment. It's got a little bit of juice on the handle. Approaching the 30 marker. It's all good. It just feels like a smoother ride. Have you upgraded your test track, or are these trains just a better build? It feels smoother. And I swear it's quieter. It's quieter
Then what?
than the 700s.
Well, the cab is obviously different, so probably.
Maybe the cab is more insulated. Or 36. Alright, I'm going to start to brake it around 40, yeah?
to the front,
40.
yeah, just push it to the
And I've given it a little bit of brake. A little bit more. Can you feel that? Where's the platform at 46?
48.
48. Okay. Oh, okay. I might overshoot. See, now this is definitely more skillful than you might think.
This is Alexandra Palace. This train is for...
I thought we were going to Wellingham City.
I know, it's saying we're going to
Yeah,
Ali
I
Pali.
think they are on the wrong track.
I've literally taken the wrong track at some point. Now I don't want to go into E, do I? I just want to do it on regular brakes.
No, please don't go E.
Hey, that's not bad, right?
Well, the door, it depends which door.
Well,
if
I
you
was
want
going-
passengers to get
I
out.
was going for the cab door.
That's good. Okay, cool.
I was going for about
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, very good.
There we go.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Next.
Next.